Good morning, Durban. It's 6:30 a.m. on Wednesday, the 20th of November 2024. Happy birthday, AK. Wind Guru shows winds from the northeast this morning, sea swell 1.3 meters, and it looks like it'll be a humid, warm day and partly cloudy. The northeasters continue into tomorrow and swing to a southwester by Friday. Tides for fishing shows the current wind is blowing at 6 kilometers per hour from the northwest and the air temperature is 22 degrees. Atmospheric pressure is 1018 hectopascals and stable. Sea temperature 22 degrees. The current tide is high tide at 1.7 meters. And the next low tide will be at 12:13 at 0.6. Current moon phase is a waning gibbous at 19 days. And the next phase will be the last quarter moon on the 23rd of November. So in 3 days' time, we'll have neap tides. Guys, while you're online, head on over to mzimkhuluadrenaline.co.za. Check out this amazing destination, only 90 minutes away from Durban. The Mzimkhulu River, the estuary system at the mouth in Port Shepstone. Give Sean a holler and he'll hook you up. Next, we'll have the ocean view. The flags are flying stiff in the northeasterly wind. The sea swell is low, not much of a wave around. There are some bathers in the water. These guys look like they're doing body surfing. Quite an overcast day today. Temperature is quite pleasant at the moment, but I think it's going to be a scorcher of a day. Guys, don't forget, it's Black November sale at Township Hyper. Check out their page on Facebook for amazing deals on the Safina 3000 reel, all the Daiwa reels, Shimano, Saragossa, and fantastic combos. It's a great time to introduce your young ones to fishing. Great bottom end entry level tackle on sale. Check out the page, give it a like, and we'll see you in the store. This is Adam Kamdar for the sardine.co.za.